what I've got is some of this one-shot sign painter's lettering enamel, and it's just orange. And I put couple drops on the top of this, on this Cool Whip, inside of this Cool Whip lid. Got a little brush here, and also put a little bit of a drop of paint thinner to thin it just a little bit. Now I got me a little piece of paper. I'm going to try and slide right in here behind the needle like that. So if I happen to come off of the needle, I'm not going to be touching the background area. See if I can make this work. Not bad. Hey, that looks good. Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty nice, huh?